This is the Madison College Writing Center's 2-Minute Tutors. I'm Kate Stover.
And I'm Suzanne Treiber, and today we will show you when you should use italics and when you should use quotation marks when writing an academic paper in MLA style.
So, we begin with the idea that the length of your source matters. Is it a short work or is it a long one?
Use italics with long works, such as books, websites, or journals.
Right, and you use quotation marks with short works, such as titles of articles in a magazine or web pages in a website.
All right, let's look at some examples. In this first one, the New York Times is the name of a newspaper. It's a large source, and it contains a collection of work, so it's in italics.
And the title of one of its articles is in quotation marks because it's a smaller work within a larger work.
The names of websites like Slate, for example, are always in italics because, again, they are large enough to have many parts and pieces. So just keep in your head, long equals italics and short equals quotation marks.
You got it.
Okay. Kate, what do you do if you can't tell if something is a long or short work? How does a writer decide what to do?
Then you need to ask if it can be divided into parts or segments. A play is considered long because it's divided into acts and scenes. Generally, if the source has pieces or parts, it's considered a long work.
So this can get tricky. If you aren't sure, just ask your instructor or someone in the writing center.
For now, let's practice a bit. Pause this video and find the errors in the sentences on the slides.
In this first sentence, Milwaukee Journal Sentinel and Star Wars are what we want to evaluate. Both are actually large works. They have different parts to them, so both would be in italics.
In the second sentence, we need to decide what to do with about and the New York Times. About is one piece of the website, so it's in quotation marks. The name of the whole website, the New York Times, would be in italics.
That's right. Time to recap.
Use italics for long works that can be divided into parts, chapters, scenes, or sections.
Then use quotation marks for short works that are within larger works.
Need more? Why not talk to a tutor at your nearest writing center? We'd be delighted to help. Well, it looks like our work here is done, Suzanne.
Right on, Kate.
Right on, Suzanne, and thank you all for joining us.